Okay, can you now see my screen? Nakikita na po bang aking screen? Grade 12 students? Am I audible? Naririnig po ba ako? Or not? I need responses po. You may utilize...
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You may utilize our chat box po kung ayaw ng microphones nyo. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start dito sa methods. Understanding ways to collect data. Okay, by the way, good afternoon, grade 12 students. Okay, research methodology. Ito po yung pinakamaiksing pahina sa research natin, ha? Doon sa research activity natin. Ngunit ito yung may pinakamahalagang ginagampanan sa ating study. And may mga proseso po tayo ng study kung paano ito gagawin. And note, reminder po na pwede po ninyong tignan ang methodology section ng ibang researches para po magkaroon kayo ng ideya kung ano ang nandoon, okay? At kung paano ito gagawin. Okay. Mayroon po tayong yung sinend ko po kanina sa GC natin. Yung gagawin po natin, meron po tayong research design, population, sampling method, and data collection procedure. Okay. Yun po yung mga gagawin natin. Meron din po akong inad kanina kung paano gumawa ng letter. Ganon. Letter to the respondents, consent form, and so on and so forth. So, simulan natin sa research. Ayan. Simulan muna natin sa research design. Yung research design po natin, ito yung pinakamaituturing na kabuuang disenyo ng ating research. Kabuuang disenyo. Dito babanggitin kung anong disenyo ang gusto mo. Ano-ano ba yung mga disenyo na pwede natin gamitin? Meron po tayong qualitative at quantitative. I believe na hindi na po ito bago sa inyo. Quantitative and qualitative. At ang pagpili po ng design na nararapat na gawin sa sandaling gagawa pa lamang kayo ng title. Yung remember yung brainstorming natin nung pinakaunang meet natin? Okay. Doon pa lang dapat alam na natin yung kung anong pipiliin nating design. Qualitative ba ito? Quantitative ba? Ganon. So, research design. Dito sa research design, mayroong mga katanungan, mayroong mga questions na dapat nating sagutin. Okay? For example, I hope nagti-take down notes po kayo, ha? Kasi itong mga sinasabi ko, hindi ko nilalagay dito sa screen natin, sa PowerPoint presentation natin. Okay? Tinagalize ko na lang, tinaglish ko na lang siya. And then, itong ginagamit nating PowerPoint presentation, ito rin po yung sinend ko sa ating Google Classroom. Yung ginamit ko last time sa pag-pre-record ng ating discussion. So, meron tayong mga katanungan na dapat sagutin sa ating research design. Una, bakit yan ang napili mong design? Bakit yan ang napili mong design? Bakit qualitative? Bakit quantitative? Yon. Unang tanong yon. Ikalawa, paano nito tutulungang i-guide ang study mo? I repeat. Number 2 question, paano nito tutulungang i-guide ang study mo? Okay. Note po, reminder. Magbigay po ng justification, ha, kung bakit ang mapipili mong design ang angkop sa study mo? Bakit yung napili mong design ay qualitative para sa study mo? Bakit quantitative? Okay. Alam ninyo kung paano mag-justify. Paano ito i-justify. So, note again, pwede po kayong maglagay ng citation galing sa author ng research design upang makatulong po sa paglagay ng justification. Okay, importante po yon. Pwede rin pong tumingin sa ibang authors na sumusuporta sa mapipili mong research design. Okay. Remember din na ang research design ay dapat hindi mahaba. Hindi mahaba ang explanation dito. I hope you are taking down notes. Next, one paragraph is enough. One paragraph, siguro mga 5 sentences or 5 to 6 sentences is enough. Okay, one paragraph ha. And mahalaga na detalyado ang explanation kung bakit yan ang napili mong research design. Okay, mahalaga na detalyado ha ang explanation. Okay, kung bakit qualitative ang napili mong research design, kung bakit quantitative yung napili mong research design. And okay, yun lang sa sa ating research design. Punta po tayo sa population, sample, and sampling. Okay? Population, sample, and sampling. Pag sinabi nating population, okay, sinong makapagbibigay ng difference between population, sample, and sampling? Plus points sa recitation. Magbibigay ako ng plus points sa recitation. Oh. Iloco, English, Filipino, okay lang. Lalagay ko sa chat box. Population, sample, and sampling. You may raise your hand or unmute yourself. Punta lang ako sa chat. Lagay ko dito, population. What is population? What is sample? And what is sampling? Magkakaiba po yan. Okay, who wants to answer? Population, sample, sampling, anyone? Grade 12? Hindi na po bago ito sa inyo. Right? Okay, who wants to answer? Any thoughts about population, sample, and sampling? Ano yung pagkakaiba nila? Ano yung connections nila? Okay, wala. Okay.
Ma'am ako.
Okay, go Jellard.
Ma'am, sana lang yung sa alam ko, ma'am, wala dati niya, tawag na dito, parang opinion ko lang, yung alam ko lang po talaga. Ma'am, sa sa population po is yung, example ko na lang po, ma'am, yung gagather ka ng information sa grade 10, ganun po. Just, sa sample naman po, ma'am, is yung specific lang na, example, yung topic namin last year na verbal bullying. So, yung i-gather lang namin is yung mga nakaranas lang ng dun sa group na yun. Ganun sa, yun lang, ma'am, yung alam ko sa
sample. How about dun sa sampling?
Hindi ko alam yung...
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. So, you have a point there, Mr. Apuya, am I right? Okay. So, yung tinatawag po nating population, ito yung kabuuan, okay? Kabuuan where you want to draw conclusion. Or ito yung gusto nyong kuhanan ng data. Okay, yan yung population. Yung sample naman po natin, ito yung specific group that you will collect data from na manggagaling saan? Sa population. Okay. Ang sample po ay hinugot o kinuha o nagmula sa population. Okay. Ito ay subset o bahagi ng ating population. Yan ang sample. And yung sampling naman po na sinasabi natin, it is the process of selecting a sample. It is a process. Ito yung kung paano mo pipiliin yung mga hinugot mo sa population. Okay, ang lalim. Ito yung kung paano mo pipiliin. Okay, may iba't iba tayong ways kung paano mo pipiliin yung mga hinugot mo sa population. Hindi ka labas na humugot and yun na. So, though meron ding ganun, pero we'll discuss further. Okay. Sampling, sinabi ko kanina may ito yung kung paano mo pipiliin, 'di ba? Yung mga hinugot mo sa population. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na sampling method. Okay, sampling method. Yan. Okay, I hope you have watched or read yung sinend ko doon sa Google Classroom natin last time. And here we have our sampling methods. So, before discussing the different sampling methods, okay. Sampling method, ito yung iba't ibang paraan ng pagpili ng sample sa population. So, my question is, bakit ba tayo kumukuha ng sample sa population? What do you think? Bakit ba tayo humuhugot ng sample sa population? Any thoughts about this? Bakit kailangan pa natin ng sample? Bakit natin kailangan humugot ng sample sa population? Anyone? You can unmute yourself if you want to answer. Bakit kailangan nating kumuha or humugot ng sample sa ating population? Bakit? Kasi, okay, sampling is done because you usually cannot gather data from the entire population. It's impossible, or kung possible man, it takes too long. Okay? Kailangan ng mahabang panahon, maraming oras, and yun. Population. Okay. We have here the sampling methods na sinasabi ko kanina. We have two. We have the probability and non-probability. Kapag sinabi nating probability, ito yung random selection. Okay, probability has something to do with random selection. Kapag naman sa non-probability, non-random selection. It is based on convenience. Okay, based on convenience para mapadali ang pagkokolekta ng data. Okay, that's probability and non-probability. Meron din tayong tinatawag na probability sampling methods. Ano-ano nga ba ang probability sampling method natin? So, una meron tayong under probability, meron po tayong simple random sampling. Dito sa simple random sampling, kukuha lang po kayo ng walang specific na pattern, walang specific na criteria, okay, ng number of respondents or sample na kailangan ninyo. For example, mayroong thousands, for example. Meron kayong 5,000, okay, na population. 5,000 yung inyong population at kailangan nyo lang ng sample na 365. Okay. Dito, kahit na sino yung 365 po na yon. That's simple random sampling. Kahit na sino sa 5,000 po natin na population. Yun po yung tinatawag nating simple random sampling. Kahit na sino. Okay, out of 5,000, kukuha lang kayo ng kahit na sinong 365, okay, na sample. That's simple random. Next, meron din tayong tinatawag na stratified. Okay. Dito sa stratified sampling natin, comes from the word strata. Okay, strata meaning yung pagbuo ng grupo. Okay? Base sa classification ng iseset natin para pagkuhanan ng sample. That is stratified random. For example, sabi ko kanina ito yung pagbuo ng grupo ha, base sa classification. For example, in a study of stroke outcomes, we may stratify the population by sex. Okay, may grupo na yan. We may stratify the population by sex to ensure equal presentation of men and women. Okay. Men and women, mula dito, kukuha tayo ng tinatawag na sample. Yung men and women. Okay. The study sample is then obtained by taking equal sample sizes from each stratum. Okay. And yung classification natin na sex dito sa example ko, pwede po natin niyang palitan. Like, pwedeng economic status, pwedeng by age, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, that is stratified sampling. Punta naman po tayo sa ano ba? Clustered muna or systematic? Okay, dito tayo sa clustered muna. Okay, cluster muna, number 4 muna tayo. Dito sa clustered sampling natin, this is in contrast, okay? In contrast dito sa stratified sampling po natin. Dito sa clustered sampling, i-group sila and then yung grupo na na-form, yun ang gagawin nating sampling technique. As easy as that. The actual group will already be considered as the sampling unit. Di ba? That's easy. And punta naman tayo dito sa systematic sampling. Okay, dito sa systematic sampling naman, ginagamitan ito ng interval. Okay, sa math po natin, may interval po tayong topic. Okay, on our lower years. For example, doon sa example natin kanina na population na 5,000. List, okay, may list kayo ng 5,000 na yon. And then, you have to set interval. Tapos, doon natin kukunin. For example, every 9th, okay, every 9th ng 5,000 natin. For example, 1. Yung susunod mong kukunin ay 9. Plus 9, 18. After ng pang 18, 27. After ng pang 27, 36. And so on and so forth. Naiintindihan po ba? Okay, that is systematic sampling. Okay, under probability. Simple, stratified, systematic, and cluster. And meron din po tayo under non-probability. Okay, under non-probability sampling, meron tayong tinatawag na number 1, convenience sampling. Okay, convenience sampling, ito yung kung sino lang po yung gustong sumagot at mag-participate sa research or study na gagawin ninyo, sila lang po ang magiging respondents ninyo. As easy as that. That is number 1, convenience. Kung sino lang yung magpa-participate. Okay? Kung sino lang yung gustong sumagot. Sila lang yung magiging respondents mo. Number 2, we have, okay, punta tayo sa purposive. Under purposive naman, purposive sampling, or ito yung tinatawag natin na judgment. Okay, judgment. This is selective or subjective. Okay. Purposive sampling is selective or subjective. Ang magdi-decide po kung sino ang respondents ay ang researcher. Okay. Ang researcher po ang magdi-decide kung sino ang respondents. That's purposive sampling or judgment. For example, kung yung study mo is all about the gamers, syempre, specifically, you have to select gamers as your respondents. That is purposive sampling. Punta naman tayo dito sa quota. Kapag sinabi natin quota, okay, I hope narinig nyo na tong term na to anywhere. Okay, quota sampling, ito yung kadalasang gumagamit nito ay ang mga anong researchers, yung kadalasang gumagamit ng quota sampling. Kadalasang gumagamit nito ay ang mga market researchers. Kasi kapag sinabi nating quota, sorry, excuse me. Kapag sinabi nating quota, ito yung may ibibigay sa kanila na specific number, di ba? May specific number na kailangan nilang kolektahin for their data. For example, para magawa mo yung okay, para maka-interview ka, okay, ng about sa study mo. For example, kailangan mo ng 20 adult men, 20 adult women, 10 teenage boys, 10 teenage girls, okay. And then that's quota. Kailangan mo ito, okay, 20 adult men, 20 adult women, and so on and so forth. So that you could interview them about your study. That is what we call quota sampling. Okay, the last one we have snowball. Okay, sampling. Snowball. Snowball, ito ay similar sa multi-level marketing. Sinong nakakaalam ng multi-level marketing? For example, networking. Okay, tinatawag din natin itong networking. Sinong nakarinig na ng word na networking? Okay. Ito yung may kakausaping isa. Okay, may kakausaping isang tao and convince him or her, okay, convince that particular person to invite another one. Okay, invite. Go down. Okay, that is networking. Okay, that is snowball sampling. For example, saan ba natin ginagamit ang snowball? When carrying out a survey of risk behaviors among intravenous drug users. Okay, drug users. Participants may be asked to nominate other users to be interviewed. Okay, kapag nag-nominate na sila, kung sino-sino yung mga probable users to be interviewed, syempre, parami na ng parami yung ating ang ating what we call this sample. Okay. That's Snowball, or otherwise known as similar to multi-level marketing or networking. Okay, may naintindihan po ba sa Taglish explanation ko on how to make a research design and population and sample and sampling? May naintindihan po ba kayo? Or kailangan pa ng next to start? Okay. Okay. Ang gagawin na po natin ngayon ay, okay, magpapakita muna pala ako ng example. Okay. I try to share an example. Ano ba yan? Wait lang. Saan ba yun? Okay. Ipapakita ko lang po yung example ng research design. Okay. Na nabasa ko kanina. Okay, this is an example of a research design. You may screenshot it na po and then read. Okay. That's an example. Okay, I try to find another. Stop share ko lang ha. Meron pa ba dito? Wala na. Okay. I'll try to share naman yung in-screenshot ko na sample letter. I think that is. Okay. Wait lang. Share screen. Okay, these are the types of survey questionnaires na diniscuss ko last time. We have multiple choice, rating scales, Likert scale, demographic, and ranking. And next, okay, nakikita po ba to? Letter to the respondent. Respondent that's single S only. Ito yung I have seen sa mga recent readings ko last time. Okay, kailangan po natin ng letter of respondent. Okay, syempre para sa ating mga respondents. Okay, you may screenshot this one. And then, punta tayo dito sa ating consent form. Okay, meron din tayong tinatawag na consent form. Yan, I, the undersigned, confirm that, okay, and so on. You may also search sa Google natin. Sa Google, yeah.